So with any email marketing system you have, it's always good practice to keep a backup of your subscriber data. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in Kit. So first of all, go to Grow Subscribers, and in this screen you'll see the total number of subscribers. Now this is just a demo account I've got, so there's only 52 subscribers in it. What you would do is you would, in the top left corner here, you would click that box so that you're selecting the subscribers on the page. Now you can see here there's 25 on this page, but in total there are 52. So if I scroll to the top, you'll see there's a little link here. It says select all 52 subscribers. I'm going to click that, and now I've got all my subscribers selected for this bulk action that I'm just about to do. Now, however many subscribers you have in your system, let's say it's 1,000, that will say select all 1,000 subscribers. And then once you've done that, get into this drop down menu here, it says bulk actions, and what you want to do is click on this one. It says export. So when I click this, Kit has now taken that request, and it's away exporting that data for me, and then it will send me an email saying your data is now ready. Please click the link to access it. So this email has just arrived. You can see here it says your export file is ready. The export requested for subscribers has been processed. You can download it here. The link will expire in 5 days. So once you request your data, you need to make sure and click the link to download it before the link expires. So I'm going to click that to download the CSV file, and then I'll open the CSV file just to see the data in it, and this is what it looks like. So you can see all the 52 subscribers that I requested, and all the associated data that Kit provides for each one of these. So once you've got that data downloaded, I recommend you download it at least once a quarter, preferably once a month. It means you've got a backup of that data, so if ever there was any problem around Kit or any platform that you're using, you've always got a backup of your data that you can take and move on to another platform if you ever want to or need to. So that's how to export all your subscriber data using Kit.